What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Ikhanic Show. It's your host, Inaam Khan. I got a really fun video this week and I think you guys will really enjoy it. So basically, it all started a few days ago when I found out I spend a whopping $1,600 a year on Starbucks. As crazy as that may sound, I'm sure I'm not the only one that spends this much, if not more. And I highly encourage you guys to track your spending via apps like mint.com. So as a coffee connoisseur and someone who's fiscally conservative, I wanted to know how I can save this money while still getting a great cup of coffee. So I did some YouTube searches and I could not find a single video that clearly showed you how you can make a Starbucks coffee at home. So I figured, why not just make one myself? So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how exactly to brew the perfect Starbucks coffee at home and how this act alone will save me $113,000. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to find out how. And if you enjoy videos that are about improving personal finance or the stock market, make sure you like this video and press the subscribe button. Wait, let me do this like all the other vloggers. Alright guys, welcome to my kitchen. So if you want to brew the perfect cup of Starbucks hot coffee at your house, you're going to need a few things. So first things first, this is a French press. It costs about $20. You can get it at your local Starbucks. You can even use your Starbucks points if you have those. And it makes much better coffee than like one of those drip coffee makers. So definitely invest in these. It's definitely worth it. Next, you're gonna need your favorite package of the Starbucks ground beans. So me personally, I like the Pike Place. Again, you can choose whichever one you want. You're also gonna need one of these water boiling things. I'm not sure what it's called, a tea kettle or whatever. So this one actually has a specific setting for French press. It's at 200 degrees, which is nice and convenient. But again, just get something where you can boil your water. And then of course, you're gonna need water and your favorite cream and sugar, whatever you wanna use. So first step is first, we are gonna boil the water. So according to the Starbucks directions, for every 6 fluid ounces of water, you need 2 tablespoons of coffee beans. So 6 fluid ounces is not that much, it's like less than a cup. So I'm gonna be doing 12 fluid ounces. So I'm gonna put 4 tablespoons of coffee beans. So we're gonna start off by putting the 12 fluid ounces of water in our coffee maker. Close that up. And then press the French press setting and let that boil. In the meantime, we're gonna get this French press and we're gonna put the coffee beans in there and get it ready. All right. Oh yeah, by the way, the French press comes with a special spoon. One of these spoons is 2 tablespoons. So because we need 4 tablespoons, I'm gonna put 2 of these in there. Some simple math. So I got my 4 tablespoons of coffee in my French press. I'm waiting for the water to boil and we'll be back when the water's ready. All right guys, our water is done here. We're gonna now, all we have to do is just pour it over. So we're gonna pour it over our coffee beans just like this. Ooh, that smells good. I'm trying to act like those cooking channels. All right, all the water's in there, and now all we're gonna do is we're gonna put the cap back on and we're gonna wait 4 minutes. In these 4 minutes, the coffees, beans, I guess, extract all of their oils and flavor and whatever. It mixes into the hot water. So we're just gonna wait 4 minutes now. Set a timer for 4 minutes and we'll be right back. 4 minutes later. All right, guys, it's been just about 4 minutes. So all you have to do now is just press down on this slowly. All right, and now we're just gonna pour it into the mug. So apparently you gotta press the button on the back. I didn't know that before. You press this and then you just pour it in there. Ooh, that looks good. You're showing this? That looks pretty dang close to Starbucks coffee and it smells just like it. So now you just put your favorite cream and sugar in there. Bada bing. Let me just mix it too. You want a chumcha? And there you have it, folks. A fresh brewed Starbucks cup of coffee. And that tastes pretty dang similar. Okay guys, back to my desk now. Now let's talk about how making my own coffee at home will save me $113,000. So as I mentioned earlier, I spend about $1,600 a year in Starbucks, and I think making my coffee at home alone will save me about $1,000 every single year. Now you're probably wondering,
oh, you said $113,000. This is only $1,000 a year.
Well, kind of. Let me explain. If I save $1,000 a year and invest that in a fund that gives me a very normal average 8% return year after year, in 30 years, that will become $113,000. So by just me making coffee at home, in 30 years, I will have $113,000. It's crazy if you think about it like that and how compound growth works. Now, with that being said, guys, let me know in the comments, how much do you guys spend on coffee every year? And do you even track it or not? Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Get your 2 free stocks at Webull down below in the description. Also in the description, you'll find links to my favorite Starbucks coffee and all the camera equipment I use. And of course, I got the Patreon page where I go over every stock I'm buying and selling right before I do so you'd get notified right away. And for all you real loyal supporters out there, you can follow me on Instagram at the Ikhanic Show and binge watch all of my videos. Help me hit the 4,000 watch hours. With that being said, guys, aim high, don't be shy, and thanks for watching the Ikhanic Show. What?
You made a bottle of water for dinner.
It's recording.
How many bottles did you drink? It's like 9 of you.
Don't mind her. She's just a weirdo.